Bangamashumi ayisithupha nambili abantu abashone ngendlela yokuthi ababonakala ukuthi bangobani. Abahlola izidumbu bathi bakwaze ukuhlonza kuphela abantu abayishumi nambili.
We realized this morning that out of the 74 bodies that we have collected, we are only having 12 bodies that are identifiable, that can be viewed by means of visual or eyes. But the 62 of these bodies, they have burnt beyond recognition.
Abangakabatholi abathandiweyo babo bavuke ekseni namhlanje banikele emakhazeni aseDeepkloof eSoweto.
Masithi yabona vele asiyakhona ukubabona bo3 yibo vele bathi sifone manje sizoza ukuthi sihamba kanjani amalungiselelo efunika.
Kanti ke kunabanye abantu abasaqhinqe ngaphandle kwesakhiwo okwenzeke kuso lenhlekelele ngethemba lokuthi bazozithola ihlobo zabo.
Ngilana nje ngiyofuna umkhaya wethu uyintombazana nje kanye nomntwana wakhe nenye intombazana ibizwa uFatima Fisherless. Yabo nje silana nje asazi ukuthi ukuphi.
If I go once, she doesn't take time. She pick phone and answer. But since last of yesterday, she doesn't pick the phone.
Ngaphandle kwesakhiwo okwenzeke kuso lesi sibhicongo bekubanjwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sabashonile.
This time we do not have foreigners, we do not have Gentiles, we do not have women and men. We have all people who are made in the image of God. And this time it is that image that needs restored.
I-ANC imelwe unobhala jikelele wayo ufikile Mbalula yedlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini yabashonelwe.
It is with great sadness that we express our condolences for the tragic loss of life resulting from the fire in a building in Johannesburg this morning. We urge the authorities to conduct a thorough investigation into the cause of this tragedy to prevent such incidents from happening in the future.
Amanye amalungu ANC anikele lapho kwenzeke khona lenhlekelele afike abeka izimbali kodwa ke abantu balapha bakugxekile okwenziwe ileli qembu.
And then the ANC shows up in their regalia to come and sing, you know, and to do photo ops and to perform for the press and go back to their lit up homes and air-conditioned offices and do absolutely nothing.
Labantu labo banandaba nathi abasinaki and since kwenzakale lezinto abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. They just come nje ngoba manje kushile.
Namhlanje kuqhubekile ukuthungathwa kwezidumbu ongenzeka zisele ngaphakathi. Amaphoyisa abesebenzisa izinja ezihogela umkhondo ukuthungatha kulesi sakhiwo.